am back in bed. I got up earlier. Me and my husband have been trying to wake up at 5 a.m. And when I tell y'all, it's been the hardest thing for us to actually like get up. So we woke up at like 6 something. Today, my Nespresso machine is gonna be delivered today. They fixed it. So hopefully everything still goes good when I get it and I can actually make some good coffee. I have a few other deliveries today that's gonna be delivered to the house. So I was gonna go out today to go to like Hobby Lobby and probably like TJ Maxx because they're all in the same strip. But that's probably gonna be a tomorrow thing. I don't want to miss my package because I think I have to sign for my Nespresso. Say good morning.
Good morning. I eat good breakfast.
Emmy's eating good too, huh?
Yeah.
All right, don't mind the marks on the mirror. My kids, they just come up to it and Emmy tries to stand on it, or he does stand on it, and then Travell will come and touch the mirror. So it's always hard to keep it clean. But this is today's outfit of the day. This whole set is from H&M, and I actually got it, I want to say I got it last year, and I found it on sale right when the summer started. So I didn't find them together. I found it 2 different times. So when I went to H&M, but how cute. I think this shirt I got for like $8. It's a large. So here, Travell wants to show you his outfit of the day. And then I did his hair. Look down. It's still, he's 3, so he rolls around a lot and stuff and doesn't really keep the cap on, but I did his hair yesterday. I think I did a pretty good job. Don't do that. So we did a cool design. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. My Amazon earrings on right here. Super cute. I'm loving the chill vibes. I love these slippers. I found them at Ross. And I just put some socks on because my feet were cold. So then I did my makeup today. I actually put like a darker eyeshadow. I feel like this doesn't look blended on camera. Maybe I didn't do so well at blending. But yeah, I did my eyes today. And I like how it came out. I used the Artist Couture Supreme Nudes, literally my all-time favorite palette. I love it so much. And it's definitely a fall palette. I just love all the shades in there and stuff, especially that green. There's a green shimmer shadow in there. Love. And then the lips, of course, y'all know me, I love my nude lips. So the nude combo I have on is the lip liner is Travis from Makeup by Mario, and then the lipstick is Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW. Is there hair on me? So yeah, Kim KW. So I just got done editing my video. It's a get ready with me, like doing my makeup. I did some of my hair on video, and yes baby, and I did my makeup as well. So I hope you guys enjoy that video. It's almost 11 o'clock, so I have to get Emmy. He's in his pack and play, and I need to put him down for a nap. He usually fights me on taking his nap. So we're gonna get some milk and put him down for his nap.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my.
I have to wait a few minutes. That way I can actually lay him down. No, I just checked my email and it says my Nespresso is delivered. Like, how come they didn't ring the doorbell? I'm so excited to have my coffee machine back. Why does it look so weird? Did it always look like that? Oh, that's the, y'all, I'm so silly. That's the back part of it. I'm so dumb. I was like, wait. Okay, so we're putting this back in. Okay. I gotta actually refill this up. We got a frother. Okay, let's get our coffee. I haven't noticed any leaking or anything, so I have no clue what they did, but. And then I just showed y'all my new handheld frother, so.
Mommy,
Yeah, I am so happy. Ooh. Okay, first sip. So good. So I'm in my room taking a breather, so that's what I'm gonna do for a little bit. I'm still waiting on another package. I have a package coming from Ogee. So if you guys haven't heard of Ogee, you've seen it on my channel before, but they have skincare, they have makeup, and they're all clean products and stuff. So next week, since we're going into fall, they are doing fall at Ogee, and it's really cool because they're giving me a code for you guys for 25% off code and stuff. Especially, it's definitely the time to shop there. I'm gonna be showing you guys more of the product on here, and then definitely check out my Instagram and TikTok. I always post on there about the brand and everything. So yeah, stay tuned for that video next week. What are we gonna make? What's it called?
Pumpkin.
I'm gonna make some pumpkin bread. And this doesn't have any dairy in it because Travell is allergic to milk. So this is dairy-free instructions. So we're excited to make some pumpkin bread. So it says we need 3 large eggs. So let me get the eggs out.
Okay. And
We need almond milk. Just stays in the bowl. Cool. Oh. All right, dude. Pour it into the bowl. All right, all of it. Good job. Okay, we poured everything. So now we're gonna put this in the oven. Travell, pumpkin bread is done. You see it?
eat.
So my package is here. I have to walk up the street. We have like a community mailbox, so I need to get out of the house. I'm excited. The package that I got is from Ogee. Across the street, make sure I don't get freaking run over. These people be speeding through this this street. Oh, here is my box. Oh my god, they stuffed it in here. How am I supposed to get this out? Seriously, look at that. How am I supposed to get it out? Y'all, I broke it down now. Broken now, so now I'm gonna have to take them all off because I don't think they went in this box. But the mail lady stuffed the box in the mailbox, so I had to like try to yank it out and stuff. It wouldn't come out. Literally like broke the box. It's literally putting up a fight. So we have our Ogee box, Beyond Clean Beauty, and you can see it contains organic ingredients, non-toxic, cruelty-free. So y'all can hear Miss Rachel in the back. But oh, this is really pretty. Look at this.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving.
Put day in my mind, seem to take a step out.
get some air now. Let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out.
How nice was that sunrise? Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I've been trying this week to watch the sun go up, even though the houses are in the way, but it's fine. It still was really nice and stuff. So hopefully I can see the sunset maybe later today. We'll see. Today I have to go to Ogee. I have to go pick up some groceries from 8:30 to 9. So I need to go pick that up at curbside, and then I plan on going to Hobby Lobby and probably TJ Maxx. So stay tuned for those hauls, those videos, because they're gonna be coming up soon. So stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna be pushing out some content. So yeah. So now all I need to do is get ready, get the kids ready, and then hit the door, and let's see what they have in the store. Okay, this is an outfit I put together. Don't mind the back. I should have done the bed, but I haven't. Did a light makeup as always. And then I have my H&M purse. And my pants are from TJ Maxx. This little blazer jacket thing is, silk blazer is from TJ Maxx. And then the bodysuit I got at Charlotte Russe a while back. So it's a razor cut. And then I have my corduroy Converses on. I'm gonna go to this one spot to take some pictures, and yeah, hopefully they come out really cute. Hopefully my hair does me well. I'm waiting for this part to kind of like fall down kind of, because it's kind of like sticking out. So I gotta remember to kind of push it in, because I don't like when it's sticking out too far. So. But yeah, let's go to H-E-B to get my stuff. I hate when my bros are doing that. H-E-B, Hobby Lobby, and TJ Maxx. And like I said, stay tuned for all those other videos. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are feeling my channel, I would love for you to become part of the family. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell. That way you're notified when I post my videos, because your girl is putting out content out there. So make sure you hit that bell. That way you don't miss any videos as well. And I will see you guys on the next video. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next one.